In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use smart suggestions when coding a purchase invoice in Next. As an approver, I just received this invoice. Now I want to code it using the accounting application. Based upon my history, it shows my 3 suggestions: marketing, office equipment, or a shipping. So these are complete codings, and in this case, the bookcase and the bar stool are actually used by our marketing campaign. I select the suggested marketing campaign, and it pre-fills account department and all the other values. So I'm actually ready just to add this coding with the full amount, close the accounting application, and now I'm done, ready to accept the task. In this scenario, I want to show you how to utilize 2 of the suggestions. First, we will use the office equipment. For the first line, we'll have to split this invoice into 2 separate coding lines. We'll change the amount and add this specific line. Now we'll have to close the accounting application so we can get the suggestions again, and the remainder will be for the marketing campaign, the bar stool. We can tell that the amount is already adjusted to the £807, which matches the line. Now we have fully coded the invoice and we are ready to accept the task. In the last scenario, I want to show how to add just a manual entry. If none of the suggestions matches your need, you just press the plus sign, you specify the account and the other relevant information. This is for an account that we did not use before this, for our new headquarter. So once we have entered all the values, we can just add this line. And now this coding will be used as a suggestion on the next time we receive an invoice from Desilja, Japan. We're ready to accept the task. And that's all. Thanks for watching.
Next Way, making good business run better.